Hey guys, Max with Tower Hobbies. We're here with another unboxing and we have our DX5 Rugged. We're going to crack this thing open and see what's all in the box here. Oh, dun, dun, dun. Aha, manual. So you got your basic manual. Gives you all the ins and outs of the DX5 Rugged. I would definitely read this because the Rugged's got a different feeling and a different programmability than the other radios. So definitely read through your manual, but we're going to put it to the side for now and crack this puppy open. So nice packaging. It's not going to move around too much, but it is a durable radio, so it should be fine. Got another little instruction manual, and I believe this instruction manual is to tell you how to use the scroll pad. So definitely read this because the scroll pad is way different than any other radio we've ever had. So we're going to put that to the side and open up our Rugged here. Whoops! But it's durable. Don't worry. There's our Rugged and our SR515 receiver that it comes with. That's all that's in the box. It's pretty simple. And we are going to go over a little bit of the radio. Close this guy up and move him inside here. Alright, so we got our DX5 Rugged. As you can tell, there's these gray things on the side of the Rugged. They're basically bumpers, so if you drop it or throw it around, it's going to handle it. Also, with the Rugged, it's got this cool little compartment in the back. Pop this guy open. Maybe. Ta-da! So you can keep a hex wrench in there, some bind plugs, a body clip, anything you need on the trail that you can easily forget. I know I do all the time. Close that guy up. And this wheel is also really cool. You'll notice there's a little notch right here. So this is for one-handed driving. So for Kyle and I, if we're out filming videos, this is way helpful when we're driving. So you can drive and film with one hand, or if you're just one-handed, you can drive with one hand. This wheel is also awesome. It's actually a rubber, so it feels like a real wheel. Makes it feel real rugged. There's also this little bar right here, and it's not necessarily for more support. It's an optional thing, so you can actually take this off and remove the screws and add lights or add something, a GoPro mount, anything. And another cool thing, it's got two mounting points for lanyard holds. So if you're out for a long trail ride, you can hang it by your lanyard, and it's nice and easy to hold. Now, DX5 Rugged does not come with AA, so we've got 4 AA batteries, and we're going to power this up and just give you a little brief of how this scroll wheel works because it's a little bit different than previous radios. Open this guy up. Install our batteries. Kyle's showing you guys the box right now. It's just some quick overviews of the big features on the DX5 Rugged. Look at that, power's right on. Get this guy out, it's the wrong way. Close up our hatch here, maybe? Alright, so, got our DX5 Rugged. So if you look on the scroll menu here, there's no actual scroll wheel. It's actually like your phone, so it's a touch interface. So you can click OK. And there's little arrows on here, so you're going to scroll down with your thumb and scroll up with your thumb, and then say we want to go all the way down here to timer and we want to do it fast, you hold your thumb at the bottom and it skips through the menu. Then you want to go back to your main menu, you click back, same with the clear button. It's pretty self-explanatory once you get used to it. It does take some getting used to. I like it, it's just a little different. So thanks for doing our unboxing with us, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.